how to reset your TD online banking password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your TD online banking password. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for TD Bank. And now here on the search result, you can just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of TD Bank. Now here, once you see the interface like this, you can just click on the login button and after that you can just click on the online banking and here once you do that you'll be prompted to the login screen. Now here under the login fields you can just click on the option labeled as forget username and slash or password. So simply click on it and this will take you to your password reset page. Now here on this interface you can simply select your password and after that on the next page you simply have to enter your username and once you're done entering your username you need to enter your social security number. So here simply enter your social security number and once you're done with that, you can simply click on continue. And there, once verified, you will be asked to create a new password. So make sure it's secure, which include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. And here, once you're done with that, you can try logging in with the new password. And that's it. That's how you can reset your password. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.